then we became inseparable. The damage was irreparable. Jen's like my sister and Sarah's like mine. Friends till the end of the line.
Open my mind for you. Don't wanna wait on it tonight, I wanna be.
You began to wonder why you came. Where did I go wrong? Lost a friend somewhere alone in the bitterness, and I put out stayed up with you all night. And I know how to save a life.
I'll be Tracer.
I'm already Tracer.
What about Widowmaker?
I'm already Widowmaker.
I'll be Bastion.
Nerf Bastion.
You're Rental Winston.
I wanna be Winston.
I guess I'll be Genji.
I'm already Genji.
Then I'll be McCree.
I already chose McCree.
I have an idea.
What's your idea?
You should be.
I'm not gonna be Mercy.
Why do you niggas still writing tennis statements? Me and Pop could've cooped me and Stacy. Dash on the beach, I don't care.
Be fan that it was me, but no. Oh, baby, I'm playing on you tonight. Hunt you down, eat you alive.
How wonderful to see you, dear.
Morning, Weasleys.
Bloody hell.
I never had nobody and no road home. I wanna be somebody to someone.
And if the sun starts red and the sky goes cold, and if the clouds get heavy and start to fall, I really need somebody to call my own. I wanna be somebody to someone. Someone to you. Someone to you. Someone to you. Someone to you.
Never gonna get it, never gonna get it. Never gonna get it, never gonna get it. Never gonna get it, never gonna get it. Never gonna get it. Never gonna get it, never gonna get it. Never gonna get it.
I'll be Tracer.
I'm already Tracer.
What about Widowmaker?
I'm already Widowmaker.
I'll be Bastion.
Nerf Bastion.
You're Rental Winston.
I wanna be Winston.
I guess I'll be Genji.
I'm already Genji.
Then I'll be McCree.
I already chose McCree.
I have an idea.
What's your idea?
You should be.
I'm not gonna be Mercy.
Century. My favorite flavored sweets are raspberry amphetamines. I bought a carburetor at age 16. I brushed my teeth with bleach cause I ain't got time for cavities. My daddy put a gun to my head, said if you kiss a boy I'm gonna shoot you dead. So I tied him up with gaffer tape and locked him in a shed. Then I went out to the garden and I fucked my best friend. Watch my mum and dad laugh, see 1,000 volts go through the sun. I wish they never heard. It's hard to cut an erection when you're so used to rejection.
Suck my soul, I need some spiritual healing.
My favorite flavored sweets are raspberry amphetamines. I bought a carburetor at age 16. I brushed my teeth with bleach cause I ain't got time for cavities. My daddy put a gun to my head, said if you kiss a boy I'm gonna shoot you dead. So I tied him up with gaffer tape and locked him in a shed. Then I went out to the garden and I fucked my best friend. Watch my mum and dad laugh, see 1,000 volts go through the sun. I wish they never heard. It's hard to cut an erection when you're so used to rejection.
How wonderful to see you, dear.
Wake up and smell the coffee. Is your cup half full or empty? When we talk, you say it softly, but I love it when you're awfully quiet.
You're doing just fine on your own.
Meaning?
Are you not currently dating Dean Thomas?
It's none of your business.
Poker face, poker face. I wanna roll with him, my heart that we will be.
hoe, holla. This that wah, that that bought me like you crazy, goddamn.
Professor McGonagall.
This match has been cancelled.
We can't cancel Quidditch.
Silence would.
Everyone, this is Looney Love. Luna Lovegood.
I don't think you understand. I'm obsessed.
Honey is the anthem of success. So before we go out, what's your address?
All the things you said, 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 all the things you said.
I mean, how are you all still alive?
If you're leaving, baby, let me down.
All of us are.
Let me down.
Not listening to? You think I don't know how this feels? Oh, you don't know how it feels! Your parents are dead. You have no family.
Romeo, save me. I've been feeling so alone. I keep waiting for you, but you never come. Is this in my head? I don't know what to think. He knelt to the ground and pulled out a ring and said, marry me, Julian. You'll never have to be alone. I love you, and that's all I really know. I talk to your dad, go pick out a white dress. It's a love story, baby, just say yes.
First time Harry Potter visited my office in Hogwarts. What you mad? What? Please now! Grindylow!
First time, yeah. I think you might have lied. Feels so good down, yeah. And I don't know why I'm addicted. Something like a headache got me twisted. She started dancing, sexual romantic. Nasty, but she fancy.
I hope that she looks at me and thinks, shit, he is so pretty.
Falling in love? Cringe.